Welcome to AutoVoice. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy a human-like AI voice agent for your real estate business in just 5 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1, company information first. Select your account type, either client or agency. Next, enter your real estate company name and choose your market from the drop-down menu. Add your company website, company description, and provide details about the real estate services you offer. Then, enter your business hours and service areas, so the AI agent understands when and where your business operates. Once you've completed these details, click Next Step. Step 2, contact information. Now enter the primary contact details for your business. These details help us configure your AI agent and ensure important notifications are delivered to the right person. After completing the information, click Next Step. Step 3, configure your AI agent. This is where your AI agent begins to take shape. Select the agent role that best matches your business needs from the drop-down menu. Select your estimated monthly call volume. In the Use Case Details section, describe exactly how you want the AI agent to handle calls. Then add common questions and answers that callers frequently ask. This helps your AI agent provide accurate and consistent responses during conversations. Once finished, click Next Step. Step 4, define agent behavior. Let's customize how your AI agent communicates. Next, create your opening greeting. This is the first message callers will hear when the AI answers the phone. Then define how the agent should react to different customer situations. Finally, provide call handling instructions. Specify what information the AI should collect, how it should qualify leads, when it should schedule appointments, and when it should transfer calls to a human agent. Once everything looks good, click Next Step. Step 5, rules and compliance. In the final step, define the rules your AI agent must follow. Start by adding any required words. Next, list any words, topics, or claims the agent must avoid. Then, configure escalation rules to determine when the AI should transfer a call, take a message, or connect the caller with a manager. Add a fallback response that the AI should use whenever verified information is unavailable. Finally, include any additional notes. CRM instructions. Once you've completed all 5 steps, click Submit Registration. That's it. Your AI voice agent is now configured and ready to start answering calls, qualifying leads, scheduling appointments, and helping your business respond to customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you for choosing AutoVoice.